This baked sweet potato stuffed with goat cheese, roasted red grapes, walnuts, and thyme is a healthy and delicious vegetarian comfort food. First, let's prep the roasted grapes. In a medium bowl, toss the whole red grapes from California with olive oil, thyme, salt, and pepper. Pour the grapes onto a prepared sheet pan and roast in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the grapes are soft, slightly charred, and some have popped open. Scrape the grapes and their juices into a small bowl and stir in the toasted walnuts. We'll use the juices to drizzle on top of the sweet potato. Here I have sweet potatoes that I've roasted in a 350-degree oven. Split the sweet potatoes down the middle and give them a squeeze to open them. Stuff the sweet potatoes with some whipped goat cheese, a pinch of herb salad, a scoop of roasted grapes for a bright flavor note, and finally a drizzle of roasted grape juice and some extra virgin olive oil. Your guests will love the combination of creamy, sweet, tart, and savory flavors in these baked sweet potatoes. Here's our baked sweet potatoes stuffed with goat cheese, roasted red grapes, walnuts, and thyme. This recipe and others can be found at ciaprochef.com/grapes.